everyone good. Today I have a good news for PUBG player who wait for PUBG PC Lite game when come. But today I I will to tell them today I have a good news for you. Today PUBG PC Lite announced and published for some countries. So I show you how to download and how to install PUBG PC Lite. So let's start. Bro, first you need to download PUBG PC Lite. So you need to first go this website. So I already go this website. You see, lite.pubg.com and download lite.pubg. If you go www.google.com, then you search lite.pubg PC. Okay, see already show. If you not found, don't worry, I put this link inside my video description. So first you should go this link, then you download. You see here I have a minimum PC space and we recommend PC space. People, so many player cannot install their PC PUBG game because they have a lot of configuration, very big configuration, but PUBG complicated, so little bit configuration for this PC, this PC configuration very low. So now you press download. Okay, downloading my PUBG PC Lite. It's very fast because it's depend on your Wi-Fi. So yeah, I already download, then install. Okay, if you show this this capture, you just press more info, then you press run anyway. Finish. Okay, next I have accept the agreement. Sorry. Okay, next. Sorry. You choose your browser file when you put. So I choose my browser file, put on. Okay, need to some minute because it's depend on your computer or laptop or PC configuration how fast to install. Yeah, very fast. Finish. Then okay, PUBG select coming. Yeah, you need to email. I need to create account PUBG Lite, so I already create my account. Just I put my email and password. Okay, so guys, I put already my email and password. Now login. Yeah, okay, this is the PUBG Lite PC show already. So now you should install. Yeah, I press install. Just a minute wait. Need to 2 GB space, just 2 GB. Okay, yeah, I already installed very fast. You again need to press email address when you start this game. You need to every time email address put. So I put my email address again. Okay, install already. You need to just update. Press. Wait, just a minute. Before, just one country can install this file, and that's not just Thailand. Today so many country can install because they are already announced and published. After install, I show you which countries can install this game. It's downloading is depend on your Wi-Fi speed, how fast download and install. Faster. Just a minute, bro. My speed of 12 and 30 Mbps. Yeah, almost 50%. 60%. So friends, I know hide anything. I show everything, how to download, how to install PUBG PC Lite. So guys, if you have any problem, you just put my comment inside video. I later I will tell you how to do this if you have if you face any problem. And another one thing, friends, I know my speak not perfect, but I hope everyone forgive me so and help me. Okay, almost 93%, 94%, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. Wait. I know friends who before play in PUBG Tencent emulator. I know some player feel boring because emulator how to say graphics not clearly perfectly, but PUBG PC Lite you can imagine, you can feel the same like PC, and your graphics resolution very high. So I hope who play now PUBG emulator, so they can now play PUBG PC Lite because I think you feel better. Wait. How long? Sorry guys, another thing is my behind the outside so many noise. So I hope, but I hope you are everything, you understand. Okay. Faster. if I cut my video, later somebody think about that I cut something, how to download, how to install, so I no cut anything, so I show everything, so this why my video duration too long. So sorry guys, I have no choice. Store 63 file, store already 5 more file, faster. Yeah, okay, done. Now you can check and repair. Okay, done. Now you press start. Running. Start. Yeah. Okay, running. Yes, this one running already. Coming. Just need to time because first time open, that's why. Okay, the game start now. I'm very excited. Okay, see the graphics resolution too high. I know you also same like you also excite same like me. Okay, plan guys. Before I have an account, because before I install this game, because if I no install this game, I don't know how to install, how to download. That's why before I install, so I already created my account same like this. So when you open your inside your mobile game, mobile PUBG, and inside your emulator and also PUBG PC, same like this, you create a account, then you start. Okay, I will show you how many map can you play. Just two map now, Myanmar Irangal, and coming soon back Indian, others Sanok, they're coming soon, so don't worry, the come. And here I have one extra squad, one man squad you also can play, but before you play in your mobile and your PC, you cannot play one man squad, but now you can play one man squad also. Okay, so guys, just now I start and show you, just little show you how to play. Okay, I play squad, confirm. Okay, let's start. Start it matchmaking. Okay, protection. Okay, now show keyboard and mouse, which one you want to play, how to play. Okay. Ooh. See, graphics very high. I think who before who didn't play in your PC, because for your graphics and RAM configuration very low, they can now play PC, guys. Yes. So guys, I hope now you can easily download and install PUBG PC Lite. So after next video I will show you how to set your setting and how to play PUBG PC Lite. So guys, today that's it. Today I want to end of the game, end of the video. So let's escape. Oh, before I want to show you which country can download and install this game. Okay, you go this website PUBG Lite, then you go the news. Okay, read more. Now I show you which country can now download and install. Now before just there announce Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia and Singapore can download this game 14 February, but now they already show Bangladesh, Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore and Thailand. Because Bangladesh, Brunei, Cambodia, Laos, this four countries also now can play. So I know Indian friends, they are feel not good because they now can play PUBG PC Lite, but I hope very soon they can play PUBG PC Lite because the PUBG PC company very soon published in India. So guys, today I want to end of the game, end of the video. I will come very soon the new video how to singing PUBG PC Lite, how to play. Okay guys, let's bye bye.